Hello everybody, welcome back to Outdoor Addicts. Today we're going to South Dakota to go duck hunting. In my last duck hunting video, I said that this is going to be our last time duck hunting for the season, and I got the guns put away and I got the blinds and everything ready for storage. But we got a phone call recently from one of our buddies saying that the migration is on and all these ducks are coming down from Canada, and South Dakota is absolutely flooded with ducks right now. So today's Friday, we're going to come back Sunday and hopefully we can put it on these ducks.
At the home post, and then there's a bunch right in here too. The same farmer's got all this stuff right on the north side. Okay. Yes, you have to check this one here. That's just the township roads. Some of these township roads are pretty filled with snow. Yeah, there's some guys getting stuck up lake roads, kind of roads. So, yeah, just don't go cool.
Well, we just got checked into the lodge and now we're scouting, looking for public places to hunt where we can go jump some ducks. Or we've seen a lot of snow geese and some Canadian geese that were sitting in some bodies of water here. Here's one of the lakes that we're sitting in. You can't see any here, but it's just a nice little lake. It's actually really pretty. Full Throttle, please sponsor me. Can I get my deer tag, Dad? No kidding. Yeah.
Guys are gonna go down, sit a little bit. I'm gonna go down and make this loop.
Scare them
I'm gonna
up.
come back on this road. You guys will be on this side of them.
Okay.
So until I come and screw them up, they'll probably make a loop.
Okay. Look at these things right here. What do we shoot at? Just one, if one came?
Maybe get any little reeds out of it.
Yeah.
Hell, we could hunker in right where the rocks are in those weeds.
Yeah.
Right now, I think we're already pushing them that way. They're seeing us.
Yeah.
So once we stop walking, maybe they'll start
Coming back over.
Yeah. They were sitting out this far before.
Yeah. I was saying to get in line with the poles so we kind of blend in.
Yeah.
But if he scares them back for sure, then that'll be pretty freaking good.
I just want to run. That's it. You get down.
Sure.
Get down in there.
Holy, with the left.
Ready.
Some of them might swing a little bit wide. You gonna shoot that, Goose?
Yep. Ready?
Yep. Two of them?
There's two.
Oh, there's wounded one. What?
Where's the snow?
I don't know. Oh, it's right there in front of you. No, right.
Oh fuck. Down here. Dude, it's so hard to find.
Yeah.
That blends right in. Yeah, this is a snow.
Look at that. That is awesome.
No, maybe if I know it's so
Oh yeah. Now we're talking. These ones cupping. Oh boy. Oh my god. Yeah, they are splitting us. Try it?
Sure.
Oh my god, that is so high.
They're high. They're high. Never mind.
Doing it?
I've dropped them from that before. Is that down?
Should we try it?
Yeah.
Oh, not quite.
No, that was too high.
Oh, that'll happen.
Oh my god, you're blue. It's underneath the truck.
No way. Oh my god. No, it literally ran under the truck.
Really?
Yeah.
Like, what were you guys shooting at the end here?
We were just trying to sky blast some geese.
Nothing happened?
No. Well, we just got done scouting. Me and Cody got a couple geese out of the deal. He got a snow goose and I got a blue, which is pretty cool because I've never shot one of those before. But now we're at Cenex and we're gonna get a couple of AA batteries because the Mojos, they've got some batteries that might be about out of juice. So we don't want to take any chances by having those die on us. But we found a couple of good spots that are pretty promising. I think tomorrow we've got one picked out that's butted up against the road and the water. It's gonna be pretty good. But now I think we're gonna go to A&W here and then we're gonna go back to the lodge, and I'll probably give you guys a tour of the lodge because it's actually pretty nice. But other than that, I think that's it for the night. Get the batteries, Chief.
Get the batteries for the spinners.
There's A&W, but we switched our minds up. We're going to the Parabrooms. Let's see what this place is like. Peanut butter shake. Well, the food here was really good. I really recommend this place. Pier Booms it's called. I'll leave a picture of it on Google right here. Everyone should go check it out if you ever come through the area. So here's the lodge. The guys are watching TV in the nice living room here. There's Ruby. But we got nice kitchen area here. And then there's 2 actual bedrooms. This can sleep many people. There's 4 beds in here. And there's a second bedroom, and there's 4 beds in here as well. You got a closet in the corner, a mirror, nice pictures everywhere. It's nice in here. And here you got more cabinets. You got a sink here, and then you got the bathroom with the picture of the bucks on the shower curtain. I like that. Another closet, toilet, another sink. And that's all. This place is actually really nice and it's pretty affordable too, so you guys should go check it out.